What's going on, guys? It's CodingTuts, and welcome to the 13th part. I think it's number 13. Let me see. It's actually it's the 11th. Wow. I forgot that I deleted 2 videos since they were like kind of lame. But welcome to the 11th part of the series called Creating a Professional Website, and this is going to be one of the last videos. I think it's going to be maximum to 15, maximum. It might be 12, it might be 13. But wait, let me just first check what part we are. So I forgot to check, which was really stupid. Yeah, so we're at the 11th part. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna do a future tutorial on, like, probably the next tutorial, and the next video, how to create this banner. It's a really cool one, at least in my opinion. It's a flat iconic style, and I really like it. So basically, this is what I've decided. So it's been a really long time since I've created a tutorial. Now there's a simple explanation, and it's because I don't have enough time. But there's also one more. I've been trying to figure out how to do this div. How to do these divs so that they're big enough for each screen, but I decided there's only one way to do it, and that's with JavaScript. And so this series is called Creating a Professional Website, not building Airbnb.com. So I am gonna just leave this out because, like, I can go ahead and zoom out, and well, it's not really helping me. Wow, it just lagged. But basically, what the hell? They changed it a little bit here. Yeah, they did. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that you can create I mean, I'm not gonna do a tutorial on this because you can do it on your own. You can just create like 4 divs, give each width of like 250 pixels and a padding of 25 pixels, I think, or 30 or 40. I don't know what's that. And you're gonna be done. You're gonna be perfect. So basically, I'm gonna do the footer because the footer is a little bit more complicated. Nothing like hard to do or anything, but I'm just gonna do it. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete this div. So I'm gonna go and delete a whole community div. I'm gonna go to index. And let me just find this. Is it this community div? It's all gone. I'm gonna refresh, and there we go. This is our whole website, which still looks really good. Oh, and by the way, I just want to mention something. I'm working currently on a new project, a personal one. Since I don't know if you know this, actually you can't know it, but I'm a huge aviation fan, and I'm working currently on a website. And it still it's not even like 5% finished. It needs a lot of work, trust me, guys. But I'm gonna do a tutorial on how you can create a similar website. And so yeah, it's not even like 5% finished, as I said. But anyway, I'm gonna do the footer now. So first, I'm gonna check out what's the distance from here, from this div to this. So I'm guessing it's like 25 pixels. So first what I have to do is go to index, and I don't need this. Or do I? Wait. Hold on. No, I don't need it. Oops. Yeah, I don't need this. So I'm gonna delete this and refresh just in case. Yeah, okay, everything's perfect. And now I'm gonna create a new div. So div, and I'm gonna give it an ID of a footer. And by the way, you should expect an HTML and CSS series, like for beginners, coming really soon. I'm working on that currently. And I've actually created a new channel. It's called Defarmer. It's spelled like this, Defarmer. So you can go ahead and check it out. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, wait. Yeah, I still don't have it. But anyway, let's check this out. So I'm gonna go to CSS and create an ID called footer. Now, I'm gonna give it a position of absolute, and a width of 100%, which means that it's gonna be 100% of whatever, how big your screen is. So, and the height is gonna be like 500 pixels. I'm gonna give it a background color of gray, just for now. And a margin top, margin top of 25 pixels. Save this, refresh, and yeah, it is 25 pixels the difference. So I'm gonna scroll down and see basically how big it is. Is it big enough? Hold on. Maybe it's 450. It doesn't really matter, I just wanted to create it. Oh, my bad, sorry. Let's see this. 470, it should be. Yeah, maybe 480, just, you know, OCD. Yeah, perfect. So now, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna create, what are we gonna do? We're gonna create a table, with 4 columns. And I'm talking about this column, this column, this column, this column. So let's go ahead and create a table. So table, I'm gonna give it an ID of footer table or something. Yeah, I don't really need it, but it's just in case. Now, remember, actually I don't think I've explained this, but in tables you don't create columns, you create table rows, and then you create table data, which automatically creates the table column. So tr for table row, and inside you're gonna create td. You're gonna write td. Now inside goes this. So inside I'm gonna create two divs, but first I'm gonna style the table. So I'm gonna go and give footer table position of, actually I don't need a position, a width of 800 pixels, a height of 150 pixels, and a background color of yellow. I'm gonna remove that. I just want to see how. Oh no! Wow, cool. So let's do this. Alright, now I have to write something in the table. Wait, footer table. Did I spell that right? Yeah. Alright. So now when I write something in, it should not be as big as it is. So I'm gonna change it to 250 pixels. Good enough? No, 300 for sure. 300 pixels. Oh, and I also have to show you how to create this little icon, but it's really simple, and I'll show you in just a bit. So I'm gonna align it in the center. So we don't do like left or whatever. We just go to the table and write the simple align center. And now it's in the center. Now from the top, I'm gonna give it a margin top of 50 pixels. Margin top of 50 pixels. Yes, it's perfect. So now, what we're gonna do is create a new div inside. Oh wait, hold on a second. I think. Nah, I don't really know. No, you know what? I'll just delete the whole table because it's gonna be really complicated with table. It's just, why are we doing it anyway? I mean, why are we complicating everything? So we don't need this. So there we go. So now we're basically gonna create a div wrapper. So yeah, footer, not wrapper, like footer main. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna create a new div, and I'm gonna create an ID of footer main something. And now I'm gonna go to CSS and write footer main. Alright, now I'm gonna give this a position of absolute, come on, absolute width of 800 pixels, height of 300 pixels, margin top of 50 pixels, background color of yellow. Now, I might sound a little bit tired, and I admit it, but it's just that I just got back from school, and I'm all like, you know, tired, basically. Alright, perfect. So now I'm gonna land it in the absolute center, so left 50%. Okay, margin left minus 100, 400 pixels. So, there we go, that's perfect. Now we're gonna create a new div inside this div, and I'm gonna give it an ID of, what is this? Currency div. I know, yeah. Currency, is that a currency? I know, it's a language. Okay. Oh, but I didn't know that you can change the language. Okay, never mind. No! I'm sorry, I'm changing it back to English because I don't know German, or whatever that was. I forgot. Dutch? I think that's German. So, language div. I'm gonna move this whole thing. I'm gonna give it a language div. Alright, now we are, what are we gonna do? Basically just create a new p tag inside, and I'm gonna write English. I'm not gonna do any menus or anything. You can do that with JavaScript, but again, I'm not using JavaScript for this tutorial, so yeah. English. Now, language div. So, language div is gonna have a width of 100. 100. 200 pixels, height of maybe 50 pixels, background color of blue, and I'm gonna choose a nice sky blue. So now let's refresh this, and it's big enough, maybe 250 pixels wide. Yeah. And I'm gonna give it a border radius of 3 pixels. So because you can see that there's a little, it's a little curved. So border radius 3 pixels. Perfect. So what are we gonna do now? I'm gonna change the text, of course. So I'm not gonna give it an ID or anything. I'm just gonna do language div p, which means that it's gonna change all the p tags inside the language div to this. So font, family, sans serif, color white, no font weight. I'm gonna save this, I'm gonna refresh. Maybe change the size to like 20 pixels, font size 21, 20 pixels. No, too big, 18. I mean, I think the default is 18, but I'm not sure. Anyway, this is perfect. And I'm gonna insert, should I insert a little arrow? So I'm gonna go to copy, paste, characters.com. I think this was the website. No. Copy, paste, character. Okay, no dash. I'm gonna go to arrows. I wanna click on arrows. We'll open link a new tab, and I'm just gonna go here. Now I'm looking for a really simple triangle one. And this is it. So I'm gonna click on this, and now I've copied it. So as you can see, when I paste it, it's a triangle. And I'm just gonna put my MacBook to charge, just in case so it doesn't fall while I'm recording. So now what I'm gonna do is create a span. I'm gonna give it a class of arrow. I'm gonna paste this in. Wow. This is weird. Don't really know why it's not working. Okay, you know what? Forget about it. I'm just gonna create a V. So I'm just span. This is something. Yes. I'm just gonna like simply write a V class arrow. I'm just gonna write a little v, because I don't think that you guys want to know how to, you know, find arrows, and I mean, you know, I'm pretty sure a lot of characters work, because look at this. Let me open this. This is the previous version of the website that I just showed you a little bit. This here, this toggle, it's a copy-paste character. Now, it's a really basic site. It's supposed to be a blog, but I'm not sure I'm gonna do that because I don't really have the time right now. But maybe when I finish the other one that I showed you, I'll be creating that. So I'm just gonna go at above and do class arrow and just change the font size to like 15 pixels and font weight bold. Forgot the 2 dots, and yes, I'm gonna leave it like this. Oh yeah, and that's color, so color gray. I'm gonna do dim gray. Save this, and we're perfect. Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna align it in the text align in the right. So there we go. Oh no, I only want arrow to be. Oh, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be here. Text align right. Wait, what? Yeah, okay. What the? Oh, alright. I don't really know what the problem is here. So text align left? I mean, what the hell? What? I'm gonna do position absolute right 5 pixels. Well, I didn't mean that right, but alright, I'm just gonna give this a position of this, wait, what? No, this is a position of relative, so there we go. Yeah, there we go. Maybe 15. See, now the magic in like CSS is basically you can do whatever you want, you just have to know how to do it. It's a little bit like there's many ways to do one thing, like 1,000, like million ways to do one thing, and it's your decision on how you want to do it, whether you know how to know that many ways or simply you find one easier than another. But anyway, I'm gonna do a margin top of like what? Oh, my phone is ringing. Margin top of 15 pixels. 25, I think I should have done. What the? Top 25 pixels. Oh no. Okay, maybe I should go with 15. 15. Yeah. So I'm gonna give this a position of absolute 2. Position absolute. I'm gonna remove this here. I'm gonna remove this here, and let's refresh. Okay, this is stupid. Top 15 pixels, left 15 pixels. I don't get it. What the? Wait, what? Hold on a second. We're not doing this. And everything's perfect. Okay, what if I try and do a margin top of it? I mean, I already tried this. What the? You know what? Padding top 15 pixels. I'm gonna change this to here. Yes, I like this. And margin left of 15. I mean, I don't think this is gonna work, but I have to try it. Yeah, it did work. So perfect. So is this how it should look? It should look like this. I'm gonna change the color to gray to like this kind of gray, dark slate. What? Not this. Gray, like slate gray. And I'm gonna go to color-hex.com and I'm gonna change it to like 6D, so 6 dimensions. Alright, and nah, it's not this. It's something like this, 5E. No, what? Oh yeah, this is like brown. Wait, let me find a lighter one. Let's try this. I'm gonna leave it like this simply because, no, actually I don't want to leave it like this. It's just, I don't like it. I mean, I can't really find the perfect color for some reason. No, refresh, and this should be the right color. You know what, I'm gonna choose a really light or gray one, like this one. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change the color here to this hex. So it's perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it just like this. So this is not a link. I mean, there's no hover effect or anything, just when you click on it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this for this tutorial. I mean, in the next one, I'm gonna create. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm gonna create this div, and I'm gonna create these other divs with the text. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to slap that like button below. Comment if you have any questions. And subscribe so you don't miss a video. Anyway guys, it's been a pleasure teaching you. I mean, it's not teaching, it's basically just showing you how to create stuff. Yeah, that is teaching. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So bye guys, and peace.